Hairdressing trends in 2026 rely on adaptability, texture, and lightness in everyday styling. Variations of classical forms that emphasize individuality and a dynamic rhythm of life remain at the top of popularity. Long bob. This haircut, often referred to as the forehead, holds its own due to its versatility. In 2026, the option with soft, barely noticeable layers and a denser cut at the ends is relevant. The length up to the collarbones allows you to maintain the femininity of long hair, while adding graphics to the image. The long bob is ideal for creating both perfectly smooth mirrored styling and casual surf waves, visually stretching the silhouette and emphasizing the neckline. Medium bob, midi bob. The average bob is the golden mean between the classic square and the elongated version. In the new season, the focus is shifting to the natural volume and mobility of the strands. The haircut usually ends at the level of the middle of the neck. The main feature of 2026 is the lack of strict symmetry and the use of light graduation. This allows the hair to look thick and airy even without complicated styling, which makes the average bob a favorite for residents of megacities. Elongated Pixie or Bichia. Bichia is a bold and stylish hybrid of bob and pixie haircuts, which combines a short nape length and elongated front strands. In 2026, this haircut becomes softer and more textured. It allows you to play with the shape. You can style your hair back for a strict look or create a chaotic volume to give your face freshness. Bichia perfectly accentuates the cheekbones and reveals the face, being an excellent choice for those who are ready to experiment, but do not want to part with the opportunity to tuck the strands behind the ears. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Good luck!